I'm going to show you how to use Clipart in Google Docs. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. All you need to do is open your computer first and open any browser that you prefer. It could be either Google Chrome or Safari. If you already have an app for Google Docs, that can also be useful. So once you're here, you would see this page. You can choose to open any of your old files, or you can choose to create a new one and be there. So after you're here, you just need to look at these top options right here: edit, view, and insert. Tap on insert, and now you have options like image, table, drawing, chart, and many more. You just need to tap on image. Now you have options like upload for a computer, search the web, drive, photos, camera, by URL. Just go ahead and tap on search the web. Once you're here, you just need to type here Clipart, and now you have all the Clipart. Just choose the one you need and tap on insert right here, and now you can find the image right over here. You can control the size of it like this, and let's choose to move it. Control the size like this. You can choose its position, and there you go. This is how you use Clipart in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.